Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join voice chat only servers in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open an internet browser and type in Rollimons, then press enter. Click on the official website, rollimons.com. Hover over Games in the menu and select Game Catalog. From here, choose the game you want to join a voice chat server for. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific game. For example, I'll search for Please Donate and select it from the list. Once the game page loads, scroll down to the Places section and click on it. You'll now see a list of places for that game. Select the voice chat server you want to join. After selecting it, click View on Roblox. This will take you to the Roblox page showing all servers that support voice chat for that game. From here, you can simply click the play button to join the server. So that's basically how you can join voice chat only servers in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.